If you're an RF technician, you know the struggle. That invisible gremlin that can grind an entire industrial operation to a halt. We are, of course, talking about radio frequency interference, or RFI. Well, today, we're taking a guided tour on how to hunt it down and conquer it. Our map for this tour is an incredible, comprehensive 15-part technical tutorial from Virtualization Options LLC. So, what we're going to do is distill the absolute key concepts and methods from all 15 of those chapters, giving you a crystal clear roadmap to mastering RFI investigation from beginning to end. And let's be real, the stakes have never been higher. With the explosion of wireless devices, IoT sensors, and all sorts of complex machinery, you are working in what the source material just nails as an increasingly hostile RF environment. It really is a constant battle for clean airwaves. All right, so here's our game plan. First, we're going to break down this hostile environment and really get why RFI is such a big deal. Then we'll talk about building your foundation, the skills and tools you absolutely need. After that, the fun part. We get into the thrill of the hunt. Then we'll cover how to actually fix the problem. And we'll wrap it all up with the big picture stuff, rules, what's next, and the real path to mastery. Okay, let's kick things off with part 1. Understanding the stakes in this hostile RF world. And this isn't just about a little static on a two-way radio, you know? This is about the fundamental operational integrity of an entire facility. And this is the crucial part. When RFI goes unchecked, the consequences can be severe. It can absolutely gut the reliability of your most critical communications. It has a very real safety impact. I mean, it can cause catastrophic failures in dangerous environments. And of course, the big one, the economic cost. Every single minute of production downtime can cost a company thousands. So now that we're all on the same page about how serious this is, let's get into part 2, building your RFI foundation. Because look, before you can even think about hunting, you need the right knowledge, and you absolutely need the right gear. The tutorial spends a lot of time getting these fundamentals just right. So first, a quick refresh. What exactly is RFI? Well, at its core, it's just any unwanted electromagnetic signal that gets in the way of the signal you actually want. It can mess with it, make the quality worse, or just block it out completely. It's a simple idea, but boy, the causes can be incredibly complex. Now, the guide breaks interference down into 2 main flavors. You've got in-band, which is the really tough one. That's a noisy signal on the exact same frequency you're trying to use, which, as you know, makes it a nightmare to filter out. Then there's out-of-band interference. The stuff comes from other frequencies, but it's just so strong or so noisy that it still overwhelms your receiver. Okay, let's talk tools. Your number one weapon in this fight, without a doubt, is the spectrum analyzer. This device is your window into that invisible RF world. It lets you literally see the signals, see how strong they are, and learn to spot the unique fingerprints of different types of interference. It is the cornerstone of any RFI toolkit. And paired up with that spectrum analyzer is your go-to hunting tool, the Yagi antenna. Think of this thing as a sniper scope for radio waves. As you rotate it and watch the signal strength jump on your analyzer, you can pinpoint the exact direction or the bearing of where that interference is coming from. But before we go any further with the hunt, the guide hammers home a point that we have to talk about: safety. It is completely non-negotiable. These industrial sites are full of electrical, mechanical, and chemical hazards. The right PPE, following every single protocol, it's paramount. You never, ever compromise safety for speed. All right, with those safety rules locked in our minds, we can get to the really exciting part. Part 3, mastering the hunt. This is where the guide lays out a super methodical, step-by-step process for tracking that RFI culprit right to its source. And this isn't about just wandering around and hoping for the best. The tutorial outlines a fantastic 4-step system. You start with a course location, just getting a general direction. Then you use triangulation, taking bearings from a few different spots to really narrow the search area. From there, it's a close-in search, walking the area, watching that signal strength. And finally, precision location, where you might use something like a near-field probe to nail the exact component causing all the trouble. So, you found it. You tracked the beast to its lair. Now what? Well, that brings us to part 4, implementing the fix. See, the guide doesn't just help you find the problem, it gives you detailed, actionable strategies to solve it. And here are some of the usual suspects you'll run into. The tutorial has some great case studies on things like robotic welders, which can create these short, intense bursts of interference. Or you've got variable frequency drives, even whole HVAC systems that create that intermittent noise that is just maddening to track down. Even something as simple as LED lighting can be a huge source of RFI. To fight back, the guide focuses on these 4 core strategies. Think of it this way. Shielding is like putting the noisy device in a soundproof box. Filtering cleans up the power and signal lines. Proper grounding gives that RF energy somewhere safe to go. And good cable management stops the noise from jumping between circuits. Each one is a tool for a specific job. Okay, let's zoom out for our final section, part 5, and look at the big picture, the rules of the road, where this industry is heading, and what it really takes to become a master of the craft. So why do the rules matter? Well, how about this number? $10,000. According to the source material, that's just a typical base fine from the FCC for selling equipment that doesn't meet emission standards. So yeah, understanding the regulations isn't just good practice, it's about avoiding some very serious financial pain. And this field is always evolving. The tutorial looks ahead at some fascinating trends, like this right here. Drone-based RF surveys. Just imagine using a drone to map out interference over a huge industrial plant from the air, getting to angles you could never reach on foot. You combine that with AI that can classify signals, and you're looking at the future of the hunt. So after all is said and done, what's the secret sauce? How do you become a true RFI master? The guide really boils it down to these 4 pillars. Having a systematic approach, no just guessing, documenting everything thoroughly, an unbreakable focus on safety, and, maybe most importantly, a commitment to never stop learning so you can keep up with this constantly changing field. Which really brings us to our final thought. As technology like AI and automated network monitoring gets smarter and more powerful, the job of the technician is changing. It's not just about finding the signal anymore. It's about understanding the context, solving complex puzzles, and applying that uniquely human ingenuity. So the real question is, how will you adapt and evolve to make sure your skills remain absolutely indispensable?